The Cumulus Exporter exports metadata from your Canto Cumulus catalogs. Specify the Cumulus record fields that you would like to export by adding them to the list of export fields in the configuration dialog. Select one or multiple fields from the displayed list of catalog fields. The types of the selected fields are displayed in the second column of the table. You can specify the order of the export fields by clicking the arrow buttons on the right-hand side of the dialog. You can specify the export format of each field in the third column of the table. A Cumulus field type dependent dialog is displayed that allows to modify the formatting of the metadata. Leave the export format empty to use the standard formatting of Cumulus. Select the export file and the export file type, which can be text, CSV, or Microsoft Excel. You should select the file type first before you specify the file name and the directory. Double-check the export preferences by clicking the menu item Export Preferences. For example, you can specify the export file encoding or how the exporter should treat null values, or activate a log file to get more information about the export process. After starting the export, a progress bar is displayed while the metadata is exported from the catalog. All records from the current Cumulus collection will be exported. A log file will be created that can give you more information about the success of the export. You can save the current settings of your export configuration in a scheme file for later reuse. After saving an export scheme file, you can easily access the settings in the Run Export Scheme menu and start the export from there. Let me briefly summarize the product highlights. The Cumulus Exporter allows to export the Cumulus field values from the selected catalog fields. The field values can be formatted before they are saved into a file of type text, CSV, or Microsoft Excel. The export settings can be saved into scheme files for later reuse. Even the different Cumulus asset references can be exported. Additional properties allow to define the file encoding and what to do with null values. The Cumulus Exporter supports the English and German language based on the current Cumulus client setup. It is easy to install and configure. Thank you very much for your interest in our software. You can find more information about the product and a tryout version for download on our website.